You can modify your event's details and information easily with the Edit Details option. It can be found over here on the View Summary page of your event, or you can go to Event, Configuration, and Set Details. They both lead to the same place. Here, you can change pretty much everything on the screen. To make changes, go into Edit mode. If you would like to change the image cover of the event, click on the red file here and pick File. Note that the desired size is exactly 1700 by 630 pixel by pixel. Afterwards, you can modify your event start and your event's end time, and the time when people can begin enrolling and when they can stop enrolling in your event, and the end of the event access, followed by the name of the event, the location, and the link to the event, as well as the custom email. Additionally, you can also create event capacity or invitation capacity for your event. These are the limits as to how many people are allowed into your event for event capacity and how many invitations are allowed to go out for the invite capacity. Privacy shows who has access to the event. If it is public, anyone can access it and may register. If it is private, then only people who are invited may go. The event can be in person, whether it is in a physical location or online where it is virtual and does not take place in any physical location. And searchable just means whether the event can be found by searching on the internet or not. The default language and the time zone and the currency are all modifiable too. Next is the main page, which you can modify, and the ownership of the event. Next are the various links to your event, such as the fact link, the terms of service, the Google Analytics ID, the tickets website, the Facebook page, Instagram tag, Twitter hashtag, and the RSS feed. All of these are useful to help promote your event. And then there's the wireless box here. Simply put in a wireless password or login information and your guests will receive it at the event. Lastly, you have your organization's description and event description, which are, of course, modifiable. And lastly, these are the images that have appeared in your image gallery.